Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making crispy, super crispy chickpeas. These are going to be chili lime flavor, super easy, and definitely will be crispy. So let's get started on this really delicious, simple recipe. So we're starting with 1 can of chickpeas, and we're going to drain them. And we want to hang on to that liquid, that aquafaba, because we're going to be using that a little bit later. So I'm going to just rinse these off, and we're just going to put these on a lined baking sheet. We're going to put them in the oven, a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, and this is going to dry them out. We're not going to season them yet. We're going to do that afterwards. So I'm going to pop these in the oven for 30 minutes and then we will continue. So these have been in for about 30 minutes. They're nice and dry now. And you want to kind of shake the tray halfway through like that. And so now I'm going to transfer these to a bowl. And they are hot. And now we're going to season them up. Now, if you want to use oil, that's up to you, but I do not use oil. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use a little bit of the aquafaba. I saved it. So I'm just going to put a couple tablespoons in here, and that way things will stick to it. The spices will stick. And I'm going to also add a little lime juice, excuse me. All right. And then I'm just going to use some chili powder and just some salt. So a little bit of salt. And just do this to taste. More. Maybe just a little bit more salt. Now we're going to put these back in the oven for about another 15 minutes, and then that's when they're going to really crisp up. So be back in 15. So here are little crispy chickpeas, chili lime. They're still a little warm. You can eat them warm, or you can wait till they cool off. And these won't last very long in your house, so just so you know. But if you do want to store them, airtight container, but they don't last too long around here. So let's give these a taste. It's got the lime and the chili, a little salty. It's just like the perfect snack for you. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And